So my name is Samantha Shearer and I'm currently a service manager at Morayfield.
I'm Miss Teesh. I'm one of the ECTs here at McLennan Court.
So I'm all about upskilling myself and my team. So for me to be a proactive leader, I need to be able to have some knowledge behind me. So I wanted to be able to impart that wisdom through myself, through my team.
I've been in the industry for 18 years, so I'm always looking for ways to upskill and just keep my knowledge current.
So with the company paying for the whole degree, it's really allowed me to not stress financially about having to pay that money back as a HECS debt or have that financial burden on myself when I am a mum to 3 young children. So it's really taken a big pressure off my shoulders.
It helped to just keep that knowledge current, upskilling and finding those niche areas where we can really support and make a difference in every child's life. Being able to go through the scholarship program meant that there was a network around and there was always other people to lean on.
So Sesame Lane is a very fantastic company when it comes to work-life balance. So with the scholarship program, you can kind of set your own pace. All of that really helps to be able to manage that work-life balance.
The flexibility of working around full-time and having a family, that was really, really helpful. For us as educators and with an evolving world, we need to make sure that we're keeping our practices up to date. Sesame Lane provides so many opportunities. They're always willing to support people. They want what's best for the children, and that means that they're going to support the team no matter what.